I think a lot of people are good chefs, but to work with great chefs is just that little touch different. And you don't get any bigger than Nancy Silverton. She's an icon.
I can't believe you're here. I'm a little bit in shock.
I want to show you how to make fettunta. It is definitely a crowd pleaser.
Okay.
Fettunta, what does it mean? It means sliced and greasy. Doesn't sound very appetizing,
Sounds
but
good to me.
it has 4 ingredients. It's bread, olive oil, garlic, and salt. That's it. So what you need though, leftover kind of crusty bread.
Yeah.
Okay? So you want a nice thick slice, something like
Okay.
this. You can toast it in a variety of ways, but the important part is that you need to get the inside of the bread really toasty. So once it comes off the griddle or toaster or whatever, while it's still hot, you want to rub it very generously with a peeled clove of garlic. Now we need to turn garlic bread into fettunta, that greasy part. So you literally drown it with olive oil, and if you think you added enough, add more.
Wow.
We need salt, and that is fettunta.
This looks amazing.
What do you need more than that in a green salad?
That and a green salad, that's all you need. It's so good.